How to transfer Polygon from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of Polygon from our Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, open your Phantom Wallet and make sure to log into your wallet. After that, in the home page, as you can see, go and click on Polygon. And now to get the withdrawal address of Polygon, just click on Receive. Now, as you can see, you can copy the withdrawal address from here, as you can see. So after you copy it, now go back and open your Binance app. Now, first of all, make sure to log into your account and now tap on Assets. From the top bar, select the spot like that. Now, after that, click on Withdraw. Now, in the search bar, just search for Polygon like that. So after you find your token, as you can see, this is it. Now click on it. Now after that, click on Send via Crypto Network. So after that, in the address, now just provide the address that you copied from your Phantom Wallet of Polygon. And here you can select the network. In this case, it will be Polygon POS. So after you select the network, now you can now type the amount that you want to transfer like that. Now after that, tap on Withdraw. And after that, in about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your Polygon token on your Phantom Wallet from Binance. So this is how to transfer Polygon from Binance to Phantom Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.